The demographics of the disease in the prevalent countries is a very common disease. In those over the age of 40, up to 3% of the population are affected. And in patients older than age 80, up to 10% are affected. So as you can see, it's a very important disease in the Western world. However, over the last 30 years, it's very interesting that the prevalence of pet disease has dropped by 50%. So this disease actually is going away. It itself is dying, and we don't really know why. I mean, we have some theories, and we will talk about that, but really we don't know why it's going away. Even though it is going away, it is still very common currently. So the most common countries in the world are the United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. Obviously, if you know your history, the reason here will be the British migration in the 1700s. So, the British people colonized Australia and New Zealand and brought the disease with them. It is thought that the disease originally probably appeared about 1,000 years ago in the northern parts of the United Kingdom. That was when it was first seen in archaeological studies. Other common Western countries, Spain, France, Netherlands, and certainly in the United States. In the United States, we see this more commonly in the northeastern part, and that's because that's where the British migration is more common. Whereas in the south, we have more of Hispanic migration from Mexico. In the west, we have more Asian migration. So the northeast is more common. It is very rare in Asia, Africa, Scandinavia, and only 9 Chinese cases reported in the literature, as we just talked about.